No, calla.
It's like...
Es que normal.
Sí.
I'm not really photogenic though, I have to say.
Well,
Or
have a look first.
Have a look. Everybody says that, and then they look like models. Like.
This one I like a lot.
Boom! What's up, guys? Back out here, Paso de Gracia. We're going to be doing another Canon M50 Mark II photos of strangers, 15 to 45mm. Make sure you guys consider subscribing, hit the like, and vamos, let's see who we can find. So this video was about 3 months old, and it was a video that I shot and never uploaded because when I got the camera back I didn't realize that the settings had been changed from RAW to JPEG. So when I got home from the shoot, everything was shot in JPEG and I was like, no. 3 months later, here I am, and I did find a few cool pictures. I had a really fun day that day. I had a good time meeting everyone, so I wanted to post it. So here's the throwback, guys, with the Canon M50 Mark II. Yes, and we have a little perrito.
Un perrito en la mano.
Sí. ¿Cómo se llama? Lucky. Lucky. Hey, Lucky.
Estoy muy mal, No voy arreglada,
Vale, d'accord. Vale, no voy a mirar, pero puedo
Okay. Vale, super mimides. 1, 2, 3. And una más.
Vale.
Si quieres, te
Es
las pongo,
igual, no
está bien.
hace falta.
Vale.
Gracias.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Ya,
Mariano.
gracias.
Vale.
Venga.
Adiós, chao. Yeah, first one of the day, first one of the day. Oh, mira, un accidente atrás. Wait, una más. Mira.
¡Wow!
Es para mi canal de YouTube.
Tienes un canal.
Estamos grabando un video así, en fotos de gente desconocida. Sí.
¿Sí?
Ajá.
¡Qué guay!
Hola, amigo. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida con
Vale.
el look.
Ok.
Me gusta tu look. Si quieres una foto.
Vale.
Ajá.
Sí, sin
Bueno,
problema.
perfecto. Do you want to hold this one? Esto
Yeah,
el puede.
perhaps, yeah.
Sí.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Okay, cool. So can you take off the mask?
The mask?
And then let's try.
Yeah, sure.
That's really cool because you have the like black and white.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it.
Yeah,
I'm feeling it.
looks
Me
great.
gusta. Okay, still like that, perfect. Okay, cool. Okay, y ahora no me miras. Looking over here. Yeah. Para allá. Okay, y podemos probar una más. Así. Así. Sí. And can you maybe like with your bandana? La bandana? Sí. Sí. Perfect. And looking down, yeah? Looking down? Y ahora a mí? A mí? Yeah, stay like that. Perfect. Stay there.
Amazing.
I'm feeling this one's cool.
Yeah.
And this one's cool. Yeah. Es perfecto. Entonces sí te mando las fotos.
Perdón,
Ok.
perdón.
Ah, sí. Ah, una jaqueta, gracias. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida y me gusta mucho tu look. Si quieres una foto.
Gracias. Pues,
Es super fresh.
Gracias. Pues tengo 20 minutos.
Vale.
Y-
¿Quieres una rápida?
Sí.
Y te
2-3 minutos.
15 minutos, no.
Vale.
Ok, probamos creo que aquí. ¿De dónde eres? Ah, Rusia. На русском очень.
Ah.
Yes, got my Russian of the day. Okay, so. Yes, can you hold the hip?
Nice.
Cool.
Perfect.
So
Thank
if
you.
you want, all good. If you want, I
Okay.
can send them to you as well.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So
Have a nice evening.
you too. Bye. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida. Si os gustaría una foto.
Sí, claro.
Yeah.
Sí, no.
Yeah.
Sí, claro.
Where are you guys from? Barcelona. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Ni me mires.
Okay, Jude. Perfecto. Yes, stay like that. Awesome. Okay, this is awesome. Stay there. Okay, yummy. Perfect. And can I get you to change position now? Just turn. See, what's that one? Yep. Okay, and let's try and get the full look going on. Okay, back over there. Okay, and can we try one more with one hand coming up in this hand? Like this?
Like this.
Yeah. And can I get the legs open a little bit more? Yes, there.
No, calla.
Yeah, there's like...
Es que normal.
Sí.
Okay. No, no me mires, porfa.
Man, you gotta, chicos, tienes que quedar este lado. Okay, suya. 1, 2, 3. Burn. ¿Cómo?
I'm not really photogenic though, I have to say.
Well,
Or
have a look first.
Have a look. Everybody says that, and then they look like models. Like,
This one I like a lot.
and this one's pretty cool too.
Pasa tu correo y te las
Eso
paso.
también. Buenas, estamos grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta el estilo. Si quieres una foto de mi gusto, todo. Ajá. Perfecto. Bueno,
Pero
sí,
no sé posar ni hacer nada.
mira lo que digo. Soy muy bien. Aguanta ahí, un poquito serio. Ajá. Yeah, can I get one hand in the pocket, even? One hand in the pocket just like this? Yeah, probar. Aquí en el banco y mirando el reloj. Looking at the time, esperando la cita. Ajá. Y sonarita. Mira. Para chulos.
Can I ask you one for
Like it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
How can I get one? So if I give you my email, you might send me one.
Of course, yeah, fine.
Have a good night.
Awesome. You too.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Bye.